Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into this device. Now the version that I have right here, I will warn you, does only accept SD cards, though you can see exactly where you would be able to place a SIM card if it supported it. So let's flip it over like so, and right here you will find your, let me just bring it up, hopefully it focuses on it. So you can see right here is our SIM tray. So let's grab our SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device. Push it in here. I'll do it on the side just so you can see it. As you can see, the tray pops out. And in here, you can see we have space for, on the front, for the SD card, and then if we flip it over, that would be where the SIM card goes. But because this device doesn't support SIM card, it's filled up with this black plastic which is glued onto the tray. Normally that wouldn't be there, and you could just place the exact same way your SIM card, which is the exact same size like this plastic. So anyway, I'm gonna only occupy, like I mentioned, the SD tray. So there's my SD card. And all I need to do is flip it over like this and pop it on here. Let me kind of do it a little bit off the screen. Oh, okay, so I know what the problem is. I was trying to pop it in the wrong way. So you put it with the chip side right here. Now you do want to make sure that it clips in. It needs to lay flush on the tray like so. And it should hold in there. As you can see, there's the little part. So from here, I'm gonna pop it back into our device. There we go, and it should start working automatically. Any kind of notification? Oh, there we go. SIM card inserted. So from here, once you tap on it, you can set up what will happen, or no, you can actually view it. So setting up what will happen, how the data will be stored is somewhere else, I guess. So anyway, there is our SD card inserted, and that is also how you, I guess, insert a SIM card like I showed you, though this one doesn't support it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.